Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook duck meat. Start with the skin side down in a cold pan. This allows the fat to render slowly, resulting in incredibly crispy skin. Cook on medium-low heat for about 8 to 12 minutes, letting that beautiful golden brown crust develop. Once the skin is perfectly rendered and crisp, flip it over and cook the meat side for just a few minutes more, depending on your desired doneness. This initial sear is crucial for flavor and texture. Roasting a whole duck can seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. Begin by pricking the skin all over to encourage fat rendering. Season generously inside and out. Roast at around 190 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 74 degrees Celsius in the thickest part of the thigh. Basting occasionally will ensure a beautifully golden and crispy skin. Duck confit is a classic French preparation, yielding incredibly tender and flavorful meat. First, cure your duck legs overnight with salt, pepper, and herbs. Then, gently rinse and pat them dry. Submerge the legs in rendered duck fat in a heavy oven-safe dish. Cook slowly in the oven at about 150 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 hours until the meat is falling off the bone. It's a patient process, but the results are absolutely worth it. Achieving the perfect doneness is key. For a medium-rare duck breast, aim for an internal temperature of 57 to 60 degrees Celsius. If you prefer it more well done, 74 degrees Celsius is your target. Regardless of your preference, always rest your duck for at least 10 to 15 minutes after cooking. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and succulent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.